Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, we're here back on the boat, and I got my first mate here. She's been awful busy with work, but she's come down to help me to install our mainsail. You know, this new mainsail is so new and so heavy compared to our old mainsail. Definitely takes two people to install it. So
one of the things that we are doing, since it's been a while, is to reorganize what's here on the boat. What did we take off? What do we need to bring back? So going through the tools and getting things prepared. There's a lot to organize.
Well, as I mentioned in my last episode, we have a friend who lives up in Annapolis who has so graciously invited us to come to his personal dock and help me to fix the baby stay and do a few other things so we can get this boat equipped. So let's get this mainsail installed now.
The telephone's ringing. Yes, we're going on the line. They asked if they could see me. Just told them some of the time. Keep them away from me. I don't want their artillery. They said they'd make a man of me. Why? Let me be now. I knew from the start. I was knocking on her door. This guy came out with a shotgun. I ain't going back anymore. Back out on the street again. They tried to shake me down. I didn't have no place to run, so I just stood my ground.
But now we have a delay to get up there because definitely need a set of sails to sail out on the Chesapeake Bay. Chesapeake Bay ain't nothing to fool around with. So we want to make sure that we are able to sail north and have the sails that we need to function on this boat.
So hopefully you enjoyed this episode, and hopefully the fix that has to be done to our sail is pretty straightforward. That's what I'm hoping anyways. And I would hope that on a future episode you'll see that mainsail installed properly and it's going to take us safely north in the Chesapeake.
As far as sail shape, loose-footed sails have better sail shape. They are able to make use of that bottom section of the sail. With the loose-footed sail, we don't have to worry about that. And what that creates is not just a foot round below the, slightly below the boom, but the sail shape just above it as well, you can see, has far more sail shape. When you start to taper in the section, you end up putting downward load on the sail right across it. That boom really does weigh down evenly across the sail, and it will start to affect the rest of the aerofoil. So as far as sail shape, loose-footed sails have better sail shape.
So this was in the tool bag, but I'm pretty sure this is the bilge pump, the manual bilge pump handle, and so let's just double check that because there were two similar things. Yes. Yes, that's the manual bilge pump. So normally our bilge pump should run from the DC power on the battery, but what if the battery dies and we still need to use the bilge pump? So this manual lever helps us to do that, but we're going to have to probably inspect it. It looks like the rubber might be cracked a little bit, so we're going to have to check that out. But at least this handle is important, and it's important to know where it is, not just in the toolkit, because it's an emergency supply. So those of you watching, do your boats have cracks on this rubber? Or is this sort of just normal wear and tear? Or is this like no danger sign? You might need to relook at that. So, not sure.
I ain't got no money, I can't pay the rent. My baby joined the FBI, now she's working for the government. They tell